Hi, so I want to talk about how do you draw fashion illustrations. And I remember one time when I was working at this company and I got the job, and the girl who was leaving, I was taking over her position. She asked me, how do you become a good fashion illustration? And I say to her, I was like, why do you want to draw a fashion illustration? It's not really important. Like, everybody do photography, everybody do pictures. Why do you care? It's not important to know. She said she just want to know. She just want to learn for her own personal reason. I was like, well, the best way to learn how to draw fashion models or fashion sketches is to draw a live model, and the more you do that, the better you will get. So right now I'll show a couple of ways for you to learn at home. Here I have a sketchbook, and as you can see, it's either from a live model or maybe from a magazine. The first thing you want to do is learn the anatomy of the body. This is the anatomy I made up of seeing a man or a woman's. I think it was a woman anatomy, because at that time it was really hard to find a picture of a woman anatomy. It's mostly men, you know. But anyway, usually a woman anatomy, she has about 8 muscles right here. The squares are the muscle of her, and the men have 10. And the other thing you need to learn how to do is the skeleton. You need to draw the skeleton of the anatomy to get really good and precise with your sketches. Let's see, and you can see right here, here's a sketch from one of those fashion magazines, and here me sketching on the book. So those are ways to get better at your sketches, is to go through, if you have magazines and you see models, sketch them from the model as often as you can. Or if you could take a course, take a live model class and sketch them, whether they with nude or with clothes. And another thing you could do at home to practice sketching is to practice sketching garments that's moving. Try different parts to sketch, the pants, the skirts. Try different ways to see how the clothes felt. This I sketched of a statue in Brooklyn Museum. So it just takes practice. This is another statue that I sketched from the museum with clothes on. So you just gotta practice. Look at this, is just a mannequin. If you have a live form mannequin, put some clothes on it and sketch, and just keep sketching and do it really fast and try to do it accurate, and eventually you will notice a difference with your sketches. So I hope that helps in terms of trying to learn how to sketch. You know, you just gotta keep practicing and keep sketching.